Nothing take this
How
one.
well do you know our islands? Neffel and I are going to be tested on how well we know Jamaica by
I
one
do it
of our...
myself. She trusts me.
I will keep my own score. By one of our producers, Tamaya Henry, who is a quiz master, by the way. We're going to be keeping track of our own points, but our floor manager, Benji, or not. Never mind about
Oh, I
Benji.
forgot.
All right.
Tamaya, what are the rules, please?
Tamaya, you know Neville, right?
And you know Sim, right?
Make him Steve
Yeah.
the points.
Rules.
On this auspicious day of heroism, let us not show people what heroes
Rules.
should not
Jody,
do.
they're on my side, by the way.
Okay.
Rules.
Ready?
All right, so welcome to our heritage
Yeah.
quiz. Rules, questions will be given to Simone and Neville, and you'll be awarded
Oi.
1 point for each correct answer in this segment. Segment 2 is the ring the bell battle, where the first person to ring the bell will be given the right to answer. And at the end of the quiz, you'll be asked to show the viewers
Ring
your
my bell,
scores.
my bell. Ring
Order,
bell,
please,
ring bell,
order.
my
So,
bell. Order
let's
gone for
begin.
last week. Jobo.
Let's begin.
Ready.
First question goes to Simone.
Why? We said spin kind.
No, the second segment is the ring the bell.
No,
All right,
we shall
so
speak.
on what day is Jamaica's independence observed each year?
Independence is August 6th.
Correct. Neville, this is your question. Which national hero was the leader of a widespread slave rebellion?
Just stop it in eyes for me, please.
Are we time?
No, so you
Of
ask,
course,
hold
I
on,
just
this-
time
so,
out.
so you ask her which day is our independence day, and you ask me which one.
Answer the question. Don't look at
Some
the
shop.
floor.
Correct.
So never get one. Half for that
One.
or one?
One.
Why you have to get one?
Simone,
Eh?
who was Jamaica's first prime minister?
Bustamante.
Full name, please.
Alexander Bustamante.
Thank
No,
you.
she leave out the sir.
That
Neville,
was
what is Jamaica's national fruit?
When you fruit, jackfruit.
Incorrect.
No, hold on, no. I was saying, listen, man. I was just saying what she said.
it's wrong. It's
No.
So
wrong.
the correct
Wait, no,
wrong.
I was.
the
You know, I was.
Mine.
correct answer came first, Neville.
You said jackfruit.
No, I said. She said, and I said jackfruit.
No, you said jackfruit.
I'm
He's
not-
wrong. What does it pass to me?
correct
Aki.
Hockey.
What do you mean?
Hockey.
I don't know it's Aki.
So that's
Me
my
get two.
point.
No, me got two.
Consult the producer for that.
No, it must be me. Cause I was
Neville,
Can't be my hers.
Simone,
Eh?
who represented the Queen at Jamaica's independence celebrations in 1962?
The Queen.
Who represented?
After Million did it, Neville did it. Why you don't ask Neville that question? He was there.
Who?
Princess
I
Margaret.
haven't answered yet. Did you give me the chance to respond?
I'm sorry.
So how you reach Neville and Bell?
Because you-
Princess Margaret.
Okay, correct. So
Thanks.
producers,
No.
producer,
she
let's
never
give.
know. She didn't know.
I did. You didn't give me a chance to respond.
All right, let's give both of them half mark for that.
No. She not
It was
getting
my
that.
question. You didn't give me a chance to respond.
You did not know.
Carrie?
I did know.
She
All right,
I did know.
let's keep it rolling.
Watch her face.
Neville, who is Jamaica's first national hero?
Marcus Mosiah got it.
Correct. Simone,
What?
what is the name of Jamaica's national bird?
Eh? Doctor. Dr. Bird.
Okay, that is also known as the swallowtail or the hummingbird.
Wait now.
Top food. What? What is it?
Nothing. I'm not
Are you
going
going to say it
behave
can't be
like
a
you. I'm
doctor
not
bird
going
because
to
the
behave
bird didn't
like
carry
you.
around the injection needle?
Yeah,
What are you going to say?
I'm not going to behave like you.
Okay.
My time?
Neville, what is the capital city of Jamaica immediately before Kingston became the capital in 1872?
Spanish Town.
Correct.
I know.
Oh, you have 4 points and I only have 3 for you.
No, because you're not getting the
Simone,
junk
where
food.
in Jamaica was famously known as the wickedest city?
Port Royal.
Correct.
Easy thing when I get 4.
Neville, which parish is known as the breadbasket parish of Jamaica?
You know what I mean? No.
You know this
Let me
one.
tell you.
No, don't tell me that. Red basket. You know, St. Anne.
No, incorrect.
St. Elizabeth.
Correct.
Me know
Yeah.
that. Me know
All right, so this is the end of segment 1.
Achoo.
Presenters, please reveal your score.
She'll lead me 5-4.
6. I have
You're
6.
5-4. No, you're not going to get the jackfruit one.
6, 3.
5-4.
So Neville is
3.
on 3.
5. I am not. No, I'm not going to get me. I'm going to walk out, I think. Because I did not mean. I was joking.
Can we take
5,
a shot of
4.
Benji's
Yes, you don't know what's going on either. 5.
6, 3.
4. 5.
6, 3.
4.
Okay,
6, 3.
okay. All right, so this is segment 2. This is the bell-off segment where 2 points.
I have
will
a
be
question. I
given
have
for
a, I have a
each
problem with
correct
the name
answer.
of this segment because it is already leaning towards. No, if you say
Benji,
bell
that's
off.
not right. She need him at 5-4. You don't know
No,
what
it is
that's
6. If
5,
anything is 6.
4.
No.
Let's go.
Cannot be
It's
6.
no,
Cannot
the
be
jackfruit.
5.
Oh, no, so I'm not play no more game if you don't give me the happy
Even
one.
with the jackfruit, you
It's
have to,
5,
yeah,
4.
but you wrote down a point for Margaret, which wasn't your question, so you gotta take it off.
All right, so we'll have the producer that
No,
will
you
deliberate
not
on
know.
that.
Talk
Let's
the truth.
move
You
on.
did not
Segment 2.
I didn't get a chance to
You
respond.
didn't know. Tell the truth.
Okay,
Yeah.
order please.
Yeah.
Segment 2, ring the bell. Right. All right,
So you know that we must ring the bell. We did.
that's right. So that's the test.
So we get 2 points for that?
No.
Yeah, but you said
We're
yourself
just
a point
testing right here.
for ringing the
All right,
bell.
so now the question will be thrown out and
Yes, we know.
all right. So who won the first Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album? A. Shabba Ranks.
Oh.
B. Black Uhuru. C. Bob Marley. D. Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers. Who went first, Benji?
No, but she
Simone.
before she. All
But wait, after
right,
me,
you know, it's
but
that.
look here.
Never stop talk.
Look here, though. After me, I know your answer. Me still don't
Never
know.
stop talk.
Okay.
I'm gonna say, did Bob win a Grammy? Bob didn't win a Grammy, did he? Before Shabba. I'm gonna remember that speech when they say, I'm Iman. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna say Shabba.
Incorrect. It's Black Uhuru.
I don't get a chance to answer.
Because she indicated first.
I know, but
So we can
This
you're
is the ring
supposed
the
to
bell,
pass-
so the question doesn't pass. It's in the first segment that
who
the
said the
question
question
passes.
no pass?
The producer. Carrie?
All I know, she lose points for that. You know.
Oh, blah, blah, blah.
No, that you said.
No,
But
no,
she
no.
said that.
No, nobody said that. Nobody
The
said
bell say you get 2, and if you don't get it right, you lose.
Nobody said that. Nobody said that. You watched too much Schools Challenge. Next question.
Next question. What high school did Usain Bolt attend?
William Neal.
No, you
Wait
didn't
to
wait
be
to identify.
acknowledged. Never. So,
I'm going to give him the point here. I come over there and get cross. I'm not
so
able.
do we give him the point?
Yes, please.
All right.
Oh, no,
question.
you give him the 2
Never.
The
points.
2 points.
Thank you very much.
All right.
There's 2 points in this segment?
Yes.
Who was the first sitting U.S. president to visit Jamaica? Neville.
Ronald Reagan.
Correct.
2 more.
Next
All right.
question. Who was the first Jamaican to win Miss World, the Miss World contest? Neville.
Joan Crawford.
Very good.
Correct.
I'm just sure you swift up on the belly now.
Next
Wait.
question.
Go ahead.
What?
No,
No.
go ahead.
No, you said show me swift by
When
the
I,
bell. So
but
just
when
show you
I
how me
speak on
swift.
Schools Challenge
No,
and they
I'm
win
not
before the
tweeting you.
question, then you have to answer.
No. Thank you.
Wickedness.
Yes, Aubrey. You see them a rabbit. Hold on, Aubrey, do that again. You see them rabbit me. Thank you
You
very
rang
much.
the bell before the
All right,
question.
so do we ask this question, Carrie?
You have to ask the question. Thank you.
Okay. Bob Marley was born in A. Morant Bay, B. Frenchtown. Who rang the bell first? Simone?
Bob no born out of country. Bob born in a... What, give me the... Finish the question now.
College Smith Drive.
B. Trenchtown, Kingston, C.
No, it's
9
in the
miles,
hills.
St.
9
Ann.
miles, 9 miles.
Correct.
Carly Smith.
Next question. Who was the first Jamaican woman to win an Olympic gold medal? Neville Bell.
An Olympic gold medal. An Olympic gold medal. Diane Hemmings.
Correct.
Very good, Nev.
Who scored Jamaica's first ever gold in the FIFA World Cup?
Oh, Lord. Really?
Neville.
How is name again?
A.
Baby, yeah, tell me.
Walter Boyd.
No.
B. Robbie Earl.
Robbie Earl.
Correct.
Okay. Go on, Nev.
Who are believed to be the original inhabitants of Jamaica?
You must me.
The Tinos.
You must me. And point
Tinos.
on me. The man
No,
point.
she pointed on me.
Okay.
But she
I have to
pointed
stick
on
to what
me.
the judge.
Tinos.
But
I'm glad it reached you.
we can't bother with no. It has reached me from there.
The true
It reached me every
spirit of
day.
the heritage
No,
contest.
you
go
see how
on.
life stay.
Come on.
Them
Okay,
robbed me
brother.
and I'm still in the game.
I still have 2 more questions.
Yeah,
Go on.
go. It's all right.
Which of the following is not a code for the use of the Jamaican flag? A, the flag should never be allowed to touch the ground or the floor. B, the flag should never be smaller than any other flag flown at the same time. C, the flag becomes when the flag becomes worn and it must be replaced and should be burned. D, all of the above.
All of the above.
Correct. Who was the first festival
Hold on,
song?
wait. I see one, man.
No, that's so ridiculous,
Mary
man.
Gabel for you.
You have a question and the
Simone.
host point to me and I answer the question and we're going to overrule it?
The
We're going to
judge.
play by
Yeah,
myself.
Come, Simone.
No,
come.
it's okay,
All right,
really.
no, ask the question again.
No, go on. Festival
Who
song.
won the first festival song competition in 1966?
Simone.
Go on now.
Who won the first
A-
one?
Yeah, A, Eric Donaldson.
No.
B, the Maytals,
No.
Bam Bam. C, Jamaicans,
The Jamaicans.
Baba Boom.
The Jamaicans.
That's incorrect.
I know the Jamaicans. I know Tommy
is the one
Cohen win
before.
the
The
first one.
Maytals, Bam Bam.
Bam, bam.
Mm-hmm.
So, we've come to the end of our heritage quiz for today. Come on, Simone. In the true
1,
spirit
2,
of
3,
Smiles
4,
Heritage
5, 6,
Quiz,
7,
I'm going to
8,
ask you
9,
guys to reveal
10,
your scores.
11,
Come,
12,
Simone.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I have 18 and Sim have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, so we're just going to wait on the
Let's
judge.
just forget that the scores were not
hold
quite
on.
as you said in the first round.
I am not like that. Wait.
Sick of all
17,
y'all.
8.
So Neville is on
No,
17
no, I
and
don't accept-
Simone is on 8.
No, I don't. We are friends. Me I'll get her 3. She got a 10. I'm with her 14. No, she vexing it now. I know me
Come,
Rabino.
Simone,
It's not
come.
me Rabino, so I don't know why you're vexing it. All right. You know? All right.
Do not touch me. No, don't touch me.
Hold on.
just don't
Anyway, you go this way.
Just don't
I'm not
touch me.
touching you. I just want to be beside you.
Want with your
Oops,
teeth-
I am sorry.
your
I don't
teeth
mean to
in.
touch. I don't want to touch.
When you call them, your mobster friends, as Donald Trump would say. You want the mob of producers and cameramen and all
All
the rest of it.
right. Before we go to the feature. Right. Thank you, Tamaya.
Are we supposed to
welcome.
shake hands in the true spirit
Yes,
of the
in
game?
the true spirit. Come and shake hands.
Boy.
Round of applause, everybody.
All right,
Thank you.
Before I throw to the feature, I just want to thank my mother and father for sending me to school so I knew these things. I know Sim did go to school too, but she did know these things. So we're going to have a seminar after this and she will be all right after this.